Good morning. Thanks for watching 50 Somethings. This next series of images and videos is going to document the first week in our Air BNB in McAllen, Texas, covering the dates of September 26th through October 4th. This first video is our very humble Airbnb. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, pretty good sized, much larger than the RV that we are used to, so it was nice having a lot of space, truth be told. We managed to sell the RV within the first 36 hours of being in McAllen to a very nice Latino couple who actually friended us on Facebook, and we are still corresponding with them. They seem to be really enjoying the RV, and that makes us very happy because we were sad to see her go. The property is quiet. The neighborhood is also quiet. Lots of dogs running around and the occasional child playing. So far, it has been a very nice visit. This week, we also are going to be taking our animals to the vet. We have some stills of those coming up shortly. As always, thanks for watching. Gary and I went to a Mexican restaurant in our first week where they spoke exclusively Spanish from the second we walked in the door all the way through our meal. So I got to practice a little bit, which was a good thing. I was very rusty. We had a show for our dinner right here at our table. Very fun. Our waitress was wonderful, and she was learning English, so she was practicing some English on me. I was practicing my Spanish on her. It worked out very well. Very nice meal. Big day for the animals today as we are headed to the vet to start the process of their international health certificates. This was a very expensive and stressful process, as you might imagine. They had to be seen by the vet and make sure that all their paperwork was in order. So we had to have their rabies certificates, and those had to list their microchip numbers. They had to have all their shots with lot numbers and expiration dates as well. We had to document their crates and the colors of their crates. I'm trying to think what else, but that was a lot of documentation going into this whole entire process. They did eventually get their international health certificates done. Then those got sent to the USDA to be stamped. At that point, we had to take them into Houston to the consulate, which I will show you at a later date, to be authenticated at the Panamanian consulate in Houston. Back at the Airbnb, we have started organizing our bins to prepare for our manifest in both Spanish and English for our trip to Panama. As always, thanks for watching. Our next video will be documenting our trip to Houston, to the consulate, and what we saw and where we visited on the way there.